USB rechargeable. Rechargeable battery provides up to 20 hours working time. Compared to other battery aquarium air pumps, this kind of rechargeable function free you from replace the battery. You can charge it with a laptop, a wall charger, or a power bank. Save your money and eco-friendly. You can take it for outdoor fishing, fish transportation and power outages, etc. Powerful motor 2 air outlets. Small air pump, but equipped with powerful power can generate a large amount of aeration. Max flow rate, 2.5 L per minute times 2. Put out a ton of air bubbles via 2 air outlets and provides a sufficient amount of water circulation in your aquarium. Wide compatibility. This quiet air pump is perfect for both freshwater and marine aquariums, great to be used for all types of tanks with capacity of 19-113 L, 5 to 30 gallons. Excellent emergency aquarium oxygen pump. Safe energy saving. With 2 check valves to keep water from backflowing into your pump, much safer. With rated power of 4 W, this air pump is energy efficient and won't get overheated when running. Ultra whisper quiet. Minimum 35 decibels, sound like rusting leaves, ticking watch, in lowest flow rate. It won't disturb your sleep during it running. Accessories includes 2x check valves, 4x air stone, 2x air tubing, 1x USB power cord. Comes with 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Air output is higher than other battery-powered pumps. Highest air output when compared to other similar air pumps. 4 watts versus 2 watts of the other pumps. Comes with more stuff tubing, diffusers, etc. Price is about the same for more power. I need as much air as possible if electricity goes, and this is the only battery-powered air pump with 4 watts. You can adjust pump output if you want longer battery life. I have a D-cell battery backup as well, so battery life is not a huge concern for me. This is for overnight emergencies or when I am away to give time to respond to blackouts. Connect it to a small portable solar panel, I use for an outdoor pond, and you will have no worries.